Hello friends, welcome back to Code Facts. So in the last video we had seen about arithmetic operators, but in Python there are many other operators like arithmetic operators. So in that list today we are going to see about relational operators. So first let's see what are all the relational operators available in Python. So first, greater than operator, less than operator, greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to operator, equality operator, and not equal operator. So these are all the 6 relational operators available in Python. So now let's see how to use them in the program. So for that I declare num1 variable and store the value 20 into it, and num2 variable and I store the value 10 into it. So first I am going to check whether the num1 is greater than num2. So for that, inside the print statement I am going to give the condition as num1 greater than num2. So this statement returns true if num1 is greater than num2, otherwise the statement prints false. So in the second print statement I give num1 less than num2. So like greater than, this less than operator returns true if num1 less than num2, otherwise the result will be false. So now let's run this program. So you can see that the first print statement returns true and the second print statement returns false. So the reason is the num1 is 20 and the num2 is 10. So num1 is greater than num2. So the output is true for the first print statement. For the second print statement, the output is false because num1 is not less than num2. Because num1 is greater than num2, so the output is false. Now let's change the num1 value into 10 and num2 value into 20. So now you can see that the first print statement returns false and the second print statement returns true because num1 is less than num2, so the second print statement returns true and the first print statement greater than returns false. So this is how greater than and less than operator works. And now let's see about greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operator. So for that I am going to print num1 greater than or equal to num2. So now I am going to run this program. So now you can see that the output is false because this greater than or equal to operator returns true whether the num1 is greater than num2 or the num1 is equal to num2. So here both the conditions are not satisfied because num1 is less than num2, so the output is false. Now let's change the num2 value into 10. So let's run this program. Now you can see that the output is true because num1 is equal to num2, because both the values are equal, so that the output is true. Now let's change the num1 value into some other value as 30, and now you can see that the output is true because num1 is greater than num2, because num1 is 30 and num2 is 10, so the output is true. So like that let's check less than or equal to operator. So here the output is false because the num1 is greater than num2, not less than. So now let's change this 30 into 5. So now you can see that the output is true because num1 is less than num2. The condition is satisfied, though, so the output is true. So if I change the num2 value into 5 means then also the output is true because num1 is equal to num2. In both the conditions, if num1 is less than num2 or the num1 is equal to num2. If any one of the condition gets satisfied, then the output is true. So this is how the greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operator works. Now let's see about equality. So equality operator returns true only if both the values are equal, otherwise it returns false. So here our output is true because both the values are equal. In num1 the value is 5 and also in num2 the value is 5. So the output is true. So if I change the num2 value into 6 means the output is definitely false because both the values are different, not equal. So now let's see about not equal operator. So in not equal operator, like equality operator, the not equal operator returns true only if both the values are different. If both the values are equal, then the output is false. So in our program, the output is true because both the values stored in these two variables are different. So the output is true. If I change the num1 value into 6 means the output is false because both the values are equal. So the output is false. So this is how all the 6 relational operators work. I hope that you guys understand clearly. So in the upcoming videos, let's see about some other kinds of operators. So until then, stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.